Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Kolony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Today I'll be making for you eggplant or aubergine sandwich. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. I was never a fan of aubergine or eggplant, but this sandwich was one of the tastiest sandwiches I've eaten for a long time. If you'd like to see me prepare it, then stick around. First recipe, we're going to use some seasoning, all-purpose and black pepper. Remember, you can choose whatever seasoning you like. And in our next bowl, we have half a teaspoon of garlic paste and some oil. Then we have some seasoned flour, and we'll need an egg. But if you don't want egg, you can use cornstarch and water. And removing the top. We don't need that part. Now I'm going to slice. You can determine how thick you want yours. Mine's about 1/2 inch. Now normally we put salt and allow it to drain. I don't want it to be too salty, so this is what I'm going to do. Put them on some paper. I'll put something heavy and allow it to drain. Now while this is happening, I'll go ahead and prepare the other ingredients that I need. Now I'm going to add the seasoning to this mixture right here to make a paste. Because we're going to use this paste to paint the eggplant. Now after about 10 minutes, it's time to season our aubergine or eggplant. Now we're going to use our brush. Turn them over and we're going to paint them. Putting it away, turning it over, and then we're going to coat the other side. We're going to allow this to sit for about 5 minutes before we do anything else. We'll just put the next one in the bowl and brush it there. We don't have to do both sides here because the other side is the skin. But I'm going to show you what you could do with the ends. You could do this. You don't want to take off all the skin because you want to keep the eggplant intact. And if not, it will get too soft and you would be unable to handle it. So we do this, but we leave enough to keep it together. preparing to fry, and the first thing we're going to do is put it in some cornstarch to keep the seasoning on. You may use flour if you like. Cornstarch helps it to be very crispy. Then we add it to our egg mixture. And then we dip it in our breadcrumbs. Our seasoned flour, our seasoned breadcrumbs. Just as we would do chicken. Taking it over to the air fryer. And spraying it with some light olive oil. It helps to keep this the butter, the dry butter on. Now this is about 8 to 9 minutes, and we're going to turn them now. Just as you would chicken. And then I'm going to give it a little spray for the other side. Quick spray. Another 5 minutes. Light spray and toast it for a little while. 5 minutes. Minutes and it's now ready. Time to take it out. Let's look at this one. Ooh. Just like a chicken breast fillet. Ooh, oh, now we're gonna make our sandwich. Time for our bread. We're toasting. Mayonnaise. Now we'll put our eggplant on top. So we add our tomato, thinly sliced. Now here we have it, a colorful, healthy, spicy and tasty aubergine sandwich. Enjoy. Look at how colorful and yummy this looks. It's not only healthy, but it's tasty. Don't knock it, guys, until you've tried it. Don't knock it until you've tried it. It's mouth-watering. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.